Okay, hello everybody, Charlie here, and today I'm going to be playing Popgoes. I'm joined here with Zach. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be doing night one, and so it'll be posted on my channel, and then Zach will be doing a video of night one of it as well, and he'll be posting it on his channel. So, yeah.
So Charlie's going to be doing the first night. He's already had a run-throughs just to see how it goes, so he isn't a complete failure at the game.
Shut up! Says you.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah,
you have to
me.
eat this chili now. Zach! You made it even more dirty.
Good. He's trying to force me to eat chili.
Okay. Yeah, so nothing really starts to happen until like, what?
2 a.m. or something.
Yeah.
Should we just skip the call and get it over with? Or no?
Yeah. Okay.
Call's been skipped, so what basically
Oh,
happens,
here's already.
Popgoes,
Yeah.
the weasel.
Okay.
He
So
tries,
he's in there. He tries to like 3D print.
tries to like 3D print, Black Rabbit, this animatronic that's similar to...
Shadow Bunny. Panic goes down. And then we wait here.
So once he enters one of the rooms with the printers in it...
Yeah,
what
that's
we
like
do,
1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 7.
I don't think 7.
No,
all
not
them
7.
cameras. Okay, so Popgoes is now gone into one of the rooms.
Come on.
I think he's in camera 3. 6, there he is. Okay, so you shut down the room and he leaves. Go back to camera 4.
Wait, let's just... 3, 2, 1. I can hear some sort of weird noise. I could hear a weird... Okay.
Oh, there he is.
Shut down.
So basically this is all what we need to do in night 1.
Yeah, there's not that much going... Oh, shit. Sorry, I just bit the... thing.
Good, the chili isn't spicy.
No. Oh, no.
There it is. There we go. Got it. So the 2 squirrels that you see on the show stage, there's Saffron and Sarah, I believe.
Wouldn't it be... Oh, yeah, Sarah.
They will be active in the second night, and we will be both playing that.
Okay, so... shut down. I don't know if I should eat this chili or not.
No, I don't need it.
Yeah, because I just had barbecue chips.
By the way, we're playing at my house.
Yeah, shut up, Zach.
Because Charlie doesn't have the game yet, because he doesn't have his computer.
Yeah, I'm
But he
playing
will
it
get-
on Zach's computer.
That's what Charlie's going to be focusing his channel more on, trying to play with us while he doesn't have his computer. It's very tragic.
Shut up. Okay, where is he? Panic, panic, panic.
He's going to go into the room 3, room 3, room 3.
I don't know. Oh, there it is.
Miles of ventilation.
Okay,
He's gone into one of the rooms.
no, really? Okay, so there's nothing on the table yet.
It's good. I'm pretty sure Popgoes needs to collect 5 Black Rabbit pieces in order to complete it.
No, he needs 2 parts. He needs like 3 parts for each arm, or no? Shut down.
2 for arms, 2 for legs, 1 body, 1 head. That's
Wouldn't you need
6.
3 for arms? So 2 parts of the arm and the hand.
No. I don't know actually.
Yeah.
I think he might put off both hands and
Where is he?
he should still be in camera 4. Oh no,
Now he's gone.
camera 5.
Shut down. Yeah, sometimes in the kitchen you can hear, when I was playing before, you could hear, like water, like the tap.
So basically with these colours that are on the below the monitor, they're like power colours for the animatronics, so you don't exactly do anything on the first night.
Okay, now he's gone.
Entered camera 1.
1.
So if you go to the, if you keep
I
going,
just got this piece of chili just entering my mouth. Now I'm not gonna bite it. Okay.
so if you look to the left of you, where he's into the room, see in room 1, there
There
it
it
is. So if you go to the left, you will see them TVs there and blanks, like the badges there already.
Oh, is
So,
that where you are?
Those are the power colors. When those screens start turning on, I believe you have to press the right color.
Damn it, we lost him.
He was in camera 4.
Oh no, 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 no.
There he is.
Shut down. I could hear the printer.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So no pieces yet. You need to really calm down though.
Do I shut down the room?
No, don't.
Oh, it's... I just remembered the...
Okay, quickly check on Popgoes and you can finish off the rest. It's not there, it's not there, it's not... There it is.
What?
Camera 6. Quickly.
Ah! Oh, no, no, no.
Go relax. It's alright, you got it.
Okay, no, because I could hear the printer. Okay, calm down.
Wait, it's gonna... That's a glitch, it'll pop down.
Yeah. Is that an Easter egg or
It's
something?
Toy Chica!
I'm just gonna shut down that room.
Oh. Can't shut it down till crap.
I just got him.
BRB, I'm gonna go get some water.
No, don't leave me.
Why?
No, Zach. Okay, where is he? Uh-oh. No, where is he? No. Just gonna check on the table. Zach's gone and has abandoned me. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's check the cameras. Okay, so he's here. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, this is going pretty well. Okay, so where is he? And I think, I don't know, it might be. I don't, oh no. The Toy Chica thing, I think that might have been an Easter egg. Okay, so nothing. Okay. Good. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Where is he? Can't find him. 8. What there? Was the Toy Chica thing like a Easter egg? Oh, oh.
So I believe on later nights during the crow, like he looks at you outside the window and you get a crud ton of panic.
Yeah.
Happens, it's free.
Oh, so you. Oh, okay.
It's
Are
sometimes
you
happens.
not in an office?
No, you are in an office.
I don't know. Are you? Is it? Are you just here sitting on these
No,
things?
I don't think you are.
'Cause it kind of looks like that. Okay, where is he? Okay, so. Okay. I'm not gonna tell everyone. Don't slap me. Okay, where is he? Oh no. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Shut. Depanicized.
It's alright. Something happened to the computer. One of the cables was in the fan, but it's alright. I fixed it.
Oh, is that why it was vibrating?
Yeah. Where is he? There he is.
Just shut down that. Oh no, I don't want that. Okay, so I believe he is still here. I don't know. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Popgoes, one of the, it's like the next biggest,
Name choice. Before you know
No.
it, mothers are gonna name their kids Popgoes.
no, it's like the next biggest fan game.
Yeah.
It was like Five Nights at Candy's and like,
It went from Five Nights at Candy's
to
to...
Those Nights at Rachel's, and now it's Popgoes.
What do you think is gonna be next?
I don't know, those Seven Nights at Damon's. I don't know, shut up.
Oh, you can spoil the secret. Go on, yeah.
No, don't.
Okay, fine. I'll wait. Okay, we're back. The recording stopped.
Okay, panic.
Okay, there is. Oh, perfect.
Shut down. Pop, poppity, pop. Sorry.
Goes the weasel.
Okay, what AM? 5 AM.
5 AM.
And I believe there is a mini game after this.
Yes.
Uh-oh, okay, so...
Wait, check camera 2. Cam 2. Cam 4, sorry. Wait.
Oh.
I think he's gonna go into camera 1.
Woo! That's actually pretty cool, the transition from 5 to 6. Okay, now we have a mini game.
These ones have got a crap ton of lore and speculation and stuff about it.
Okay.
But it's just
What's
space.
do?
Oh, I think space is like to pick up one of the items or something. So this is Stone the Crow. He's purple.
I saw one of 8-Bit Ryan's titles for the video. It was like purple guy animatronic.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The name is Simon, I believe.
Simon.
Simon, yes.
His name is Vincent. Oh, there's like a robot thing. Can we pick this up?
I don't think you pick it up, you like interact it, and then with 8-Bit Ryan's video, like a picture appeared or something, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But we're a massive fan of 8-Bit Ryan, he's one of the favourite YouTubers, well, for me anyway. So there's Balloon Boy's hat, and there's a picture. Whoa.
Okay. I can't do anything.
Just wait, I think it's gonna send you back.
There was like this song and then it just stopped. Oh, it sent me back to the start.
Oh,
Maybe something else happened.
I don't know.
Maybe I did something good.
I think when you do that, it helps you to get the good ending. I actually have no idea. Okay, so
Wait, I'm gonna see what's down here.
no, there's nothing there. I've already checked before I decided I was gonna do a playthrough. That's the right way to go. I checked. It took me like 5 minutes to finish this route.
It's root.
Route, whatever.
Don't copy the American. Oh. Oh no, wait. It's down here. The instant. Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe I can pick it up.
No, you can't. Because if it's gonna interact, it'll only interact with one thing at a time.
Yeah.
I really like the pixel art on that.
Yeah, I just don't know where it is.
So by this it indicates that Stone's power color is red. Because he's got red eyes, I'm not exactly sure.
No, balloon boy. Okay, so
Let's see how you do on night 2.
I don't want to do night 2, should I?
What are you doing? Yeah, do night 2.
Okay, fine.
Have a few more cracks at it, then I'll have mine go.
Yeah.
I like that Popgoes symbol.
Yeah. Popgoes. Ow.
Don't,
Oh, okay.
don't put your foot in my PC.
I'm sorry, why is it open?
Because
Okay.
I've got a very good PC, by the way.
I don't think that was there before.
I don't know. So the 2 squirrels are gonna
Something happened. Oh,
Yeah,
he left.
Popgoes. 2 squirrels are gonna be active tonight. So just be ready.
Help. Heat vents to stop noises.
Right, here again. Second night. Hope you've gotten used to your job by now, pressing buttons on a phone. You'll have trouble finding a job that actually requires you to be on one of those. Anyway, I expect efficient use of that phone, Kip. Oh, and I'll let you know now,
Wait,
don't
this is
start
a
slacking
phone?
off. I'm paying attention. After your first week is done, I'll be
Looks like
doing a
some
review of your
retarded
progress to see
calculator.
if you are fit
Oh,
to
you know what
continue or not.
Rowan commented
If
on
you do your job
one
especially
of my
well,
videos with
they might even
face
give you a
cam?
bonus.
He said,
But I guess
what
there
do you
isn't even that
record
much for you
your
to do. I know I haven't given you much to work with just
what do you
yet.
record your
This is just a test run.
videos on? A
There is
calculator?
something for you to do in case you
And I
get bored, I
punched him
suppose.
because we were in
Well, I'm not going to
class
treat
when
you
he
like
did
those
that.
robots behind you. So we're entering the winter time. I imagine you'll be working just next week, so it's going to get pretty darn cold for you. And I'm sure you've already noticed this from yesterday. I don't know. I have given you access to the ventilation system, which means you should be able to turn on the heating grids once in a while to warm up the
Can you
place.
like
They'll
jump
stay on
scare
for
you?
about a minute, probably. possibly,
I
but
believe he
that's not
can,
enough,
but I
right?
just don't know how.
Bear in mind the vents go around the perimeter of the
I hope I
building,
find
so-
another Easter egg.
Oh, I'm sure you'll figure it out. Well, that should keep you entertained. God, I hope you're as easily pleased as I am. That's all for tonight. Oh, wait, now it's your turn to talk. Here you go. Ah, yes, as I said, you're only allowed to have them run in 1-minute bursts. It's not that I don't trust you, it's... Well, everybody can make mistakes, right? These things overheat if they're left on for long periods of time, and I can't risk
So the
that.
vents like
We all
overheat.
know what happened to that
Yeah.
attraction last
This
year.
is actually a oh, okay.
I remember I worked with a similar problem.
Yeah.
You know, being under constraints like that, but I don't know. He was fine. I was fine. I'm sure you will
This
be
is like
too.
the most
Nothing
interesting
dangerous
fan
about
game I have
vents.
ever played.
What am I saying? Just check on the heat sometimes, and yes, you'll have limited use over it, and I'm sorry about
Okay,
that.
so we can't do anything to
Right.
stop that.
See you tomorrow.
But like you said, don't worry.
Yeah, still got. There's the foot. Okay, be wary. We'll soon be back.
Okay.
He will soon be back in the
So he has a foot.
shack. There he is. Stop him.
Okay.
Check the squirrels. They are still there. I bet they'll start being active around.
I'm gonna have nightmares from those squirrels. But they're just the scariest thing I have ever
Popgoes is there.
shut down. Yeah, this is the most interesting fan game I have ever played. I mean, like, 5 Nights at Candy's 2 had an interesting mechanic with the phones, but this is probably the most interesting one.
Yeah, because you like shut down preachers and stop a sort of summoning,
Yeah,
and then also you heat up next
satanic
stage.
ritual.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Okay,
Okay, so,
he still has the foot. That's all right.
shut down.
He went into the same room twice.
Yeah, maybe he just stayed in there. I don't know. Okay.
There, he's right there. Well, do you hear any noises that might be like coming from the vents?
No,
Popgoes is in one of the rooms.
I know.
Where is he?
Oh. Oh no,
No, I think you stopped it.
no, he got something.
It might have melted though or something.
No, I saw, yeah.
No, he has it.
It's like the body.
Yeah. It's the base. Just wait for him to go back to camera 4. He's right there.
Oh,
Oh, they've left. No, just wait. If they're in that staff room, check camera 4 or something. Try to look out for the squirrels and Popgoes at the same time. I think they appear on camera 8. No, they're still there.
okay,
Yeah,
so.
2, 5, 1. There is. Shut down. It's getting intense now.
Yeah.
Check the squirrels. Are you? Okay, so
Okay.
they're not there.
What camera do I check? 8?
Just keep checking around. Camera 5. Okay, look around all the vent cameras. No. Vent camera. Take a look.
Oh,
Okay, and it should be going down.
no. Oh no, 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 Pop, where are you? Poppy.
Where is he? Oh, he's already grabbed a piece. No, he mustn't have. 'Cause he hasn't.
Oh, camera 3.
Oh,
Oh,
he
no.
grabbed a piece.
No! Oh, the vents.
Keep looking around at the vent cameras. Look, go to camera 1. Camera 1, check the vent. Vent camera. Yeah, they're not there. Camera 2. Vent. There.
What?
Camera 6, vents. Heat. Oh, there we go. Got him. Okay, we need to.
He's got 2 feet. Okay, so.
The heat won't last for that long. I think you need to keep it on.
Yeah, I know, 1 minute first.
Panic. It actually goes for like 9 seconds, turns out.
What?
The guy last year. Check the camera. Vent 6. Yeah, they're still there. You need to keep on putting the heat on. They don't go away, I believe. It's getting a tad more intense, but nothing too much. There he is. Camera 6. Vent. that's camera 5. No, it's camera 2. It's camera 2. Yeah, it's camera 2.
Also, just getting my panic down.
Yep, camera 2. No, it's not there. There, 1. Vents. 6. Camera. No. They're not there. There.
Yes, but the...
Wait, just wait. Wait for the... No, Charlie, go back to that one.
Okay. Heat.
It's slowly progressing. Go back to camera 3. And wait for it to time out.
Why would they be in a vent together?
It's sisters.
Okay.
Well, there must be really big vents. Okay, Popgoes, he's just left the room there. Camera 3 vent. Just about to time out. Keep on watch out. This is actually very
Okay, I'm going pretty well, I
Let's just see
believe.
how long you last till we die.
Yeah. Okay. Where the hell is he?
There. Camera 3 vent. Go down. Yes, there we go.
Okay.
No. Camera 3. Keep time down. Popgoes is gonna go into room 1 or 2. 1, 2 or 5, so it's not 2. It's 1. Actually very
Oh my god, this is really...
Yeah, it's not like... The good thing I like about this game that it's actually challenging, unlike Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I bet the whole game, like, without dying. I only died once on like night 6.
Yeah.
But I didn't go in there.
No, but it has an interesting, like, storyline.
Yeah, storyline and mechanics.
I can't wait for Five Nights at Candy's 3 to come out.
I'm gonna play the crap out of that game.
Have you... Oh,
I've seen the
then...
trailer.
No.
No, they're not there. Camera 6. They're there. Oh, they're much further. It's like just little tiny
Okay,
areas.
where is he?
What camera was it on where the girls were?
The camera 1.
Was it one
This
there?
one.
Yes. Okay, so keep an eye on that. I'll tell you when the heat runs out.
I know, it says down there.
I'll go wait for the heat to top up. Oh no.
Okay.
This is 1. Yes. Bang. Vent. Go.
We're doing pretty well.
And it's like 5 a.m. I think. Yeah, it's 5 a.m. We're about to win this.
Okay, so I'm gonna finish. After like the mini game or whatever of this one, I'm gonna finish this recording.
Finish the video.
Yeah. Oh, this is real. This is an awesome fan game.
This is actually a good thing.
I can't stress. No, it's not a good fan game. It's an awesome fan game.
Yeah, this one is. It's got like its own unique storyline to it.
Yeah.
And the Easter eggs. Oh, the Easter eggs.
Yeah. The Toy Chica one. That was.
Kind of obvious.
Yeah. No, but it was weird.
Yeah. And Emil Mako, the creator of Five Nights at Candy's, he actually added in a few props.
Was it like the models?
I'm not sure. I think it was the props.
I can see the similarities with the walls. If you see the walls in Five Nights at Candy's 1, it's like that. It's like that white with like the confetti on it.
Okay, so we bet night 2. That was fairly easy.
Yeah.
The wall's actually hard though, because it takes you a while to believe that is
Okay,
saffron.
so do we go the same way as before?
No, we wouldn't, because each character has different routes. I would probably go right at the first turn, see where that takes you. Because this is pretty much trial and error.
I don't know. Would that?
I'm not sure. I don't think the color walls have anything to do with it. Try interact with them. No, this isn't right. Because I think that will open up.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But so there's Foxy and there's a Hook and a Bow there. I think that might indicate Mangle
Yeah.
or Funtime Foxy. So we don't go left here because that's the crow. That's some stones were out. So let's try go right
Go
again.
right again.
And if not, if this isn't right, we'll go left.
Yeah, I think this might be it.
I'm not sure.
Because you see, it's not really
Because
great.
I believe each of the characters are indicated to different characters in the
Oh.
game. No,
Okay,
okay,
you
go
can't
left.
interact with that.
What do you think that picture meant from the first night, though?
I don't know.
It was a girl holding a balloon while holding her mother's hand, and it was a yellow balloon or a green one. I don't know.
I kind of thought like, just then, I kind of thought like crying child.
It is true. So, Saffron's eyes are pink here.
Well, like turning to the game theorists. That's like Bonnie's guitar. You can always tell it's Bonnie's guitar. Okay.
So, I think we need to go up. So, Saffron has pink eyes. I think that might be her power color. I watched a little bit of Night 3 gameplay and I've looked at the extras menu, so I know a little bit about this game.
Yeah, I know nothing about this.
And you're already a pro because of me.
No,
go
it's
up,
just
up.
no. Wait, I just want to see something. I just want to see if we can interact with something.
No, we wouldn't.
No, just let me see. Wow, my eye.
See that?
Okay,
see
yeah.
That's been closed off.
Oh
so
my god, my eye.
what's wrong?
I had chili juice on my finger, and I put it in my eye.
Pretty sure it's only the seeds that are chili.
No, but I got like the juice and I got in my eye,
Oh
and it feels weird.
no. Okay, so we'll go.
It doesn't sting my
We'll
eye.
go left
just-
or right. Left, right.
So
or
we've
right.
already been.
No, that's the next level up. Okay. So we'll
There's this
see.
weird noise. Well, there was a.
There's a microphone
That's
there.
that's Freddy's microphone. Who's left then? There's like the old animatronics.
Oh, I think we're going the right way. That's a top hat and tie.
That's like from the Five Nights at Freddy's.
There we go. So it's got up and it's got sketches of the...
That looks like the thing from Five Nights at Freddy's 3.
Yeah, that
the
supply
box.
box.
Yeah.
So now we know we
the,
just need to
no,
keep on going
the,
up.
the, what's it called? The hat and the bow tie. I just realized something. It's, I think it's a Five Nights at Freddy's 4 teaser. It's,
Yes.
Yeah, there's
Property
that
of Fredbear's
Fredbear,
Family
yeah.
Diner.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I can't wait for the sister location.
yeah.
Look, have you seen the new teaser where it's got like them 7 little
Yeah.
mini animatronics? I think
The-
that's gonna be.
I
think
thought-
that's gonna be Mini Reno.
I thought like, crying children, because remember, there was like 7 of them.
No, there was only 5. Yeah, there was only 5.
I remember somewhere there was like 7 of them. Oh well.
Well, which one do you think? So the possible
Wait,
options.
which one's Mini Reno?
Mini Reno is either gonna be, might be. So there's Enhan, Biddy Bab, and Mini Reno that we don't know who they are canon, like specifically. Oh, there's Toy Freddy.
Okay, so
Thank you all for watching.
yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and please, if you enjoyed, leave a like.
Subscribe if you want to see more of us completing the series. We'll
Yeah.
make sure to do as much multiplayer gameplay as we can.
Okay,
We'll
so
be uploading this video to the crew. Is that right?
yeah,
Yeah. So
But anyway-
we'll leave a link to the crew's channel and whoever's channel this is also uploading on in the description.
yeah. But anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.